everyone, myself Sai Prasad, a lecturer in Ahmedabad High School and the Junior College. Welcome to a series of the lectures of Intermediate Second Year Maths B. We have started our discussion with the chapter Circles. What did we learn? We started with the basics of circles, then we learned how to find the equation of circle, tangent, right? And not only that, we also found out what is a polar, how do we find a pole, what is, and all other things. Yes, let us continue the same discussion today. See here, the question, find the angle between the tangents drawn from a point to the circle. How do we find the angle between two tangents? That is, we have a formula which is tan theta by 2 is equal to r by root s double 1. So, in order to do that, we have to find the center and the radius first, right. See here, the center for this is 3 comma minus 2 and the radius is under root g square plus f square minus c, which is 9 root 15. Yes. So, let us find tan theta by 2 is equal to root 15 by under root s double 1. Just we have to substitute this point, that is 9 plus 4 minus 6 3s are 18, 4 2s are 8 minus 2, right, which is root 15 by, just check which other things will get cancelled. This is minus 20 and here 9 plus 12, how much is it, or else let us cancel one after the other. 8 minus 2, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 9, 19, 19 minus 18 is 1, which is root 1. Therefore, tan theta by 2 is root 15. We can directly write in terms of tan, but remember, whenever we find out the angle between any two lines, it should be in the form of cos. So, let us convert it into cos theta. What is the formula of cos theta? Tell me. That is 1 minus tan square theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2, which is 1 minus 15 by 1 plus 15. How much is it? Minus 14 by 16. 2 7s are 2 8s are. Therefore, theta is cos inverse minus 7 by 8. Is it clear? Shall we do next problem? See here. Find the locus of P if the tangents from P to this circle include an angle alpha. The same question. He gave the angle as alpha and he is asking us to find the locus. Okay. And whenever you do angle between two lines, you should remember that it has to be converted into cos. Fine. See here. Let us assume, let P x1 comma y1 be the point on locus. Okay, what is the formula between two tangents? That is tan theta by 2. What is the theta given here? Alpha by 2 is equal to, radius is a by under root s1, that is x1 square plus y1 square minus a square. Isn't it? Any difficulty in writing that? No, right? Fine. This is tan alpha by 2. What is the rule? We have to convert it always in the form of cos. So, we can write cos alpha as 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square. 1 minus a by under root x1 square plus y1 square minus a square whole square by 1 plus a by under root x1 square plus y1 square minus a square whole square. Fine. So, let us take LCM, that will be x1 square plus y1 square minus a square divided by x1 square plus y1 square minus a square plus a square. How do we get? Just tell me. Here it is, square and square root will get cancelled and this term will become a square. Since the LCM is x1 square plus y1 square minus a square, this will go this side and these both denominators will get cancelled. Clear? Fine. These both will get cancelled and in the numerator what do we get? Cos alpha into x1 square plus y1 square, that is equal to x1 square plus y1 square minus 2a square. Clear? So, let us bring this 2a square this side and this term to that side. What do we get? 2a square is equal to x1 square plus y1 square into 1 minus cos alpha. Even till now it's okay, or else if you want to solve more you can write it as, what is 1 minus cos alpha? That is 2 sin square alpha by 2. Fine. If you observe, 2 will get cancelled. Sin square alpha by 2, if it comes as such, that will become cosecant square alpha by 2. So we can write the locus as x1 square plus y1 square is equal to a square cosecant square alpha by 2. Is it clear? So the locus is x square plus y square is equal to a square cosecant square alpha by 2. Fine. What is the formula we had to remember again? Tan theta by 2 is equal to r by root S11. Clear? Do you understand? Fine. Shall we move on to the next problem? Yes, do. Look at the question here. If ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is the polar of this point with respect to this circle, and HCF of ABC is equal to 1 it seems, then he is asking us to find the value of a square plus b square plus c square. How do we do? Just have a look. He is telling that this line is the polar of this point with respect to this. So, can we find a polar of this equation? Yes, right. We can just equate and we can find the value. Shall we do? So, let us find the polar of polar of this circle at this point. Okay. See here. Let us find polar. Before that, given circle equation x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y plus 1. Okay. So, let us find polar at 1 comma 1, that is S1 equal to 0, which is nothing but x1 plus y1 minus x plus x1 plus y plus y1 plus 1. Clear? Let us substitute the point this x1 and y1. This will be x plus y minus x minus 1 plus y plus 1 plus 1. Isn't it? These both will get cancelled. I will get it as 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Clear? This is the equation of polar. He gave the equation of polar as ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Let us take it as equation 1 and this as 2. So, what is the next thing? We know that equation 1 and 2 represents the same. So, equation 1 and 2 are same. Then we can write it as there a by 0 is equal to b by 2, that is equal to c by 1. Clear? Let us put it till there. Let us equate it to some constant k. So, what do we get? A is equal to 0, let it be. B is equal to 2k. C is equal to k. Clear? So, he is telling that the HCF of this ABC values is 1 it seems. Irrespective of other things, we can write HCF of ABC as 1. Is it right? So, all of them will have same factor. Let us say k. So, that factor is nothing but 1. Since k is equal to 1, I can write a equal to 0, b equal to 2, c is equal to 1. So, what will be the values of a square plus b square plus c square? That is 0 plus 4 plus 1, which is 5. Isn't it? Do you understand? Once again, see here, he is telling that this line is the polar of this circle at this particular point. So, and the HCF is given as 1. So, let us find the polar of this circle. So, we get it as 2y plus 1, right. Then we know that this this line and this line represents the same. So, that we will we will find the ratio of their coefficients and let us say it as k. Since the HCF, or else we can write the common factor between these three numbers is k, he gave it as 1. So, we can write as a as 0, b as 2 and c as 1. So, finally, the value of a square plus b square plus c square is 5. Fine. Is it clear? Look at the next question. If the polar of the points on the circle, just have a look. There are three equations, do not get confused. If the polar of a points on the circle, let us assume some point P on this circle. We have to find the polar with respect to this. okay, that polar we have to find with respect to this equation, and it is touching to this equation it seems. Clear? So, we have to find, we have to prove that A, B, C are in GP. Clear? Once again, if this is a first circle, okay, now we have to find the polar of this, and these are the points on this circle, let us say, fine, and we have to find with respect to this, and it is touching the third circle. How do we do? That is, let us say if this is a tangent and this is a point, let us take this as a point P. So, from these points we can draw polar things, okay, which means the point is lying on the first circle, which is polar to the second circle, and which is touching the third circle. Let us say this has radius C, and this has radius B, and this has radius A. Clear? Fine. Let us find out. Let P of x1 comma y1 be point on first circle, x square plus y square equal to a square. Clear? So, he is telling that we have to find the polar of this point with respect to this equation. Okay? Polar of P of x1 comma y1 with respect to x square plus y square equal to b square. How? That is x1, xx1, polar is s1 equal to 0, right? xx1 plus yy1 minus b square equal to 0. Fine. And the next condition he is telling that this equation is touching this. So, what is the condition? R equal to D. So, let us put it as equation 1. Equation 1 touches x square plus y square equal to c square. So, what is the condition? R equal to D. R is C here, D is perpendicular distance from center to this equation, that is 0 plus 0 minus b square by under root x square plus y square. Is it? So, if you observe, what do we do here? That is, what is x square plus y square? We can write any term, let us say it as x1 square plus y1 square, okay, x ka coefficient square, y ka coefficient square, fine. What is this x square plus y square? That is nothing but our a square, yes or no? So, we can write it as c is equal to b square by a square under root, these both will get cancelled, I will get it as b square equal to a into c, is it? Yes or no? Why only a square, why not any other? Means because this x1 y1 lies on this circle. Clear? Since b square equal to ac, therefore a, b, c are in GP. Is it right? Shall we move on to the next problem? Let's do. Look at the next question here. He is asking us to find the pair of tangents drawn from a particular point to the circle. What is the formula? That is S1 square is equal to S into S11. Okay, just finding S1 and S11, substituting, it is a very lengthy process. The thing is, formula is very easy, but the simplification will take lot of time. Clear? So, let us find pair of tangents. Now, tell me, what is S1 for this? That is x1 plus y1 minus x plus x1 plus y plus y1 minus 11 whole square is equal to this whole s, okay, minus 2x plus 4y minus 11 into S11, that is just substituting this value 1 plus 9 minus 2 plus 12 minus 11, okay, 2 1s are 2, 4 3s are 12 minus 11. So, this is x plus 3y minus x minus 1 plus 2y plus 6 minus 11, okay, and here x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 11 into, what is this? 12 minus 11 is 1. So, 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 2 is 2, I will be left with 9. Okay, let us simplify and let us solve it. This is whole square, do not forget, this is the main parameter here. this both will get cancelled. 3y plus 2y is 5y, and here 6 minus 12, that is minus 6 whole square, and here it is 9x square plus 9y square minus 9 2s are 18x, 9 4s are 36y minus 99. Clear? And here it is a minus b whole square. Let us simplify it. A square plus b square minus 2 5s are 10, 10 6 are 60y is equal to 9x square plus 9y square minus 18x plus 36y minus 99. Okay. Let us take all factors to one side. 9x square and 9y square minus 25y square, how much is it? Minus 16y square. The next minus 18x, 36 plus 60, that is 96y, and the next 36 will go that side, 99 plus 36, that is 135 equal to 0. This is pair of tangents from this point to this circle. Clear? What is the formula for pair of a tangent? That is S1 square is equal to S into S11. Clear? What is S1? S1 is nothing but the S1, I mean equation of tangent. So, let us substitute it and square it. And what is S11? That is length of a tangent or simple parameter, just substituting this point in this equation. Clear? So, we will simplify it to get an equation of tangents. Clear? Fine. This is for today. In the next session, we will learn about two circles. How are they interacted with each other, whether they are touching each other or internally, externally, how many tangents do they have. Just tell me, a tangent is a line which touches a circle, right. When we talk with respect to two circles, how many common tangents do we have? 1, 2 and 3. If they are touching each other, yes. What if the two circles are not touching each other? They may have 4 tangents, that is like this 1, 2, we can have this kind of tangents also, 3 and 4, yes or no, and we can have many other cases. What if they are touching like this? We can have only 2. What if they are touching inside? Only 1. Clear? How do we define that? How can we find the equations of those common tangents? Clear? These are things which we are going to discuss deeply in our next session. Clear? Fine. This is for today. Let us meet in the next session with the more problems of circles. Thank you.